Yeah. Okay, guys.
Basically, and
I hope it's recording.
of course,
Okay, it's 2:16.
John,
Uh,
very good.
trip to 204 kilometers. I was trying to put the Himalayan backpack over the tail bag, but that's not working. And I had to charge my phone too. I don't think so. My phone is going to last much. So I've put the power bank. We have to take a U-turn from under the bridge. Eyes are closed. So the straight way also goes to Pune, I mean Sholapur maybe. But it was showing around 2 hours more. I don't know if the road is just this way or did I miss anything, because I didn't see that I missed anything. Okay. The wind is very strong right now. Even on 40-50, it's feeling way too much. We'll have to go for speed, I guess, if I'm not pronouncing it wrong. So that is the road which we have to take. Yeah, so I did not take any wrong road. The road is meant to be like this. The another this road straight ahead, it goes directly to Pune. So it bypasses, I guess, and goes to Pune, but we don't have to go to Pune. Every time I'm seeing Pune's board, I'm feeling so happy. So yeah, before I decided that I take breaks according to the time, but then I started late and all the schedule is lost. So what I decided is, I thought that I underestimated the bike and I underestimated myself, but I can easily do 100 kilometers and then take a break again. So that's what we'll do. We'll take a break. We'll take a break every 100 kilometers. And if the road is good, so just like this, maybe we will do a little bit more as well. lot of those windmills, what it is called, blades going on the road as well. My mic was not connecting to the camera, I don't know why. That's why I typed. Solapur is here, guys. So yeah, Solapur is my hometown. 413 kilometers. So my God, it's a relief and it's a job to be done as well. And I'm really enjoying it so far. Yeah, with time it will get better. I need to plan the luggage more better. In fact, I'm still carrying very light. Just that the bags competition which I chose is not good. I think I should be traveling without any backpack. I don't want anything on my back. Only that is causing a little bit of problem. Apart from that, the bike's doing pretty good. You can see here, the average is dropped to 33.2. Maybe that's because I'm riding continuously on a speed more than 95 to 100. Yeah, I'm not really worried about the average right now, especially today. I just want to reach at a respectful time. Yeah, mistake number 2. Get a long windshield, whatever it is. Get the Royal Enfield one and then again extend it with the windshield extender. Because that's the only thing which is making me tired, I guess. The wind is the only thing, because the wind already, even at even if you're waiting, the wind is already quite too much today here, and I mean in these areas it is just like that all the time. And even I am doing 80, 85, 90 kilometer speed all the time. So that is one thing. Mistake number 1 is the back combination. Mistake number 2 is get the screen, get the larger windscreen. It should really help, I guess, because my face is, even if I don't know if it's catching in the camera or no, but even now I have to stabilize my neck and the helmet because of the wind. And talking about the bike, if you talk about any kind of vibrations, so yes, there are vibrations when you cross around 95. A little bit only you only feel it the handlebar maybe, or I'm wearing boots, that's why maybe I'm not understanding it. But it is nothing to worry about, or nothing major. Yeah. So apart from that, it stayed yesterday. I took it to the service center to get some basic servicing done. I got the chain loop done. I got the wheel alignment also done, and washing, etc. That's it. That's it. So talking about any other issues with the bike, no major issues as such. Everything is great. I even haven't got the cross spoke wheels yet, but I'm planning to. and they are at a low cost right now, but I am guessing that once they start applying it to every bike, every upcoming bike, even the 650cc, I guess they'll increase the price. Recording, yes. It's getting more sunny. I'm wearing my sunglasses now. I stopped for a refuel. So I filled around 10 liters yesterday, the 1020 something, 1020 rupees something, and I filled the same now. It was showing in the reserve, I mean not that reserve, but still for safe side. I'll not wait here much. We'll take a break next. Oh, I was scared for a minute. This was still showing only 65 kilometers left, and now it is showing full. Let's check. The fuel range is 334, more than 334, and trip 2. Okay, I will try to complete 325 maybe, as long as the road is good. Why is it not tighten up? Okay. The road is full of wind farms and windmills. Yeah, so talking about the riding gears. Riding gears, when I started to look for them, obviously there are a lot of options. And I did not know about this, that there are so many options in India right now. I only knew a few top motor brand like Alpinestars and etc. And I know that I cannot afford them. That's very expensive. But then I started to learn and research more a bit about it. Then I saw that there are a lot of brands and it's a pretty confusing scenario. For me at least, as a beginner. And on top of that, the sizing is very important. Extremely important, right from the helmet to the boots. Everything should be of correct size. निकालो निकालो जल्दी निकालो
काय बेटा ला क्या बे
येत्रे काढ बे मामा बे जाते
चल काढ अभी है पिका बे
बाय बाय जाओ
क्या बोल रहा ना
क्या बोल रहा
हाँ
क्या बोल रहे हिंदी हिंदी
कहाँ बोल रहे कहाँ
बीजापुर बीजापुर
बीजापुर
हाँ
वीडियो का दिया रे
ये ऐसे फोन कर
ए वीडियो का दिया रे
हाँ हाँ चलो बाय 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 बाय